Hey guys, it's me, Drake with the really long index finger, and I just took the best nap of my life. I was so good. You! Huh? What is this? Who are you?
You know exactly what this is about. Ew. I'm talking about your little buddies over there trying to kill me for some reason. They keep saying that I'll replace you or something.
Gosh, what the hell?
Don't worry, Drake. We will protect you.
Please leave her alone. I don't even know who this is.
You don't understand. We're doing this for your own good.
Yiching? What? Where did you get this from? I wanna leave. Zoe Morris, what are you doing here?
Oh, I'm just around.
Can you please help me get out of here?
Yeah, I don't see why not.
Oh, thank you, Zoe. You're a We're gonna
Oh,
really.
oh my God.
Oh my
Oh.
Zoe.
Well, are you
Jesus.
okay?
Oh my
I didn't
goodness.
mean to. I didn't
Oh
mean to
my
do it.
God,
I didn't
why
mean to. I
did
swear, I
you
didn't mean
do
to do
it?
it.
You did it. Oh. Oh.